So welcome to the Automation Fair. I'm at the Odin Checkpoint stand, and one of the key drivers for developing Odin Checkpoint was to reduce the skills barrier in factories, specifically in the maintenance department. We've got two key problems. The first one is a lot of the experienced technicians are actually gone into retirement, so all that experience is lost, and we have a huge skills gap in young technicians coming in because they have a lack of experience, which is one of the key problems we're trying to solve with Odin Checkpoint. And how we do that is actually one of the functions we have, in addition to the to-do list that we give a technician on a daily basis, we have a video function. So what we're able to do is actually take video footage of an experienced person performing the tasks as they talk through the process, and when the to-do list comes up to perform that task, an inexperienced technician can actually watch the video and the video guides them step by step. Here's Odin Checkpoint.